Welcome back to another episode of Testimonials Wisconsin. In this episode, we're going to clean the white leather interior of our 26 Model Y Premium Juniper. I'm going to use three products. We're going to try water wipes, baby water wipes that I purchased at Target, not sponsored. Then I'm going to try this Hydrosil Deep Cleaning, purchased online, not sponsored. And I'm going to try this Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, bought online, not sponsored. And we're going to see which one cleans our white leather interior the best. A lot of people ask about the white interior on the Teslas. Well, this is our 26 Model Y Premium. We've had the car for 10 months. We have about 7,200 miles put onto it. We drive it every single day. My wife drives it, I drive it. It is our major car. And the white interior is done pretty good. We do have child protective seats in the back, so those still look as new as the day they came. The passenger seat's obviously not used every single day because I just go to work and back every day. So this is a seat that gets the most abuse, the driver's seat. So most of the seat, I would say, looks fantastic. The upper head and shoulder area, and even going through the back till about mid-back, looks great. The lumbar supports look very good. Well, lumbar side body thing looks very good. This area, the lower back, is definitely discolored. It's like a yellow brown. I don't know if it's from my belt or spotty sweat or what. Kind of gross. But this bottom area is the only discolored part. The rest of the seat looks pretty okay. I'm wondering if there's a slight blue hue here on the thigh support that might be from my jeans discoloring it. It's very minimal. It might even be hard to see on camera, even with the naked eye. It's very subtle. There's also what looks like to be signs of the beginning of cracking on the thigh seat here. The other side looks great. I'm guessing it's because getting in and out, this is a side that gets crushed all the time. And there's a little discoloration on the bottom of the seat, but it's not terrible. The biggest thing, the worst part is discoloration down here, and then beginning signs. It's not actually cracked leather yet, but it's beginning signs of cracking and spidering. So we are going to see if we can at least clean off the discoloration. So we're going to start with baby water wipes. Obviously the other one's more chemical, so it's more harsh. This is just baby water wipes, and it's very gentle. This is what we use on our babies, and this is what is recommended by Tesla, was baby wipes. I'm actually not sure if it was recommended water wipes or if it was recommended chemical wipes. But if I sit in here and rub in here and put some elbow grease into it, this is perforated, which for discoloration can have its own challenges. But if I rub in here, there's a little discoloration on the lumbar there. That looks, I'm not sure if it's coming off or not. I honestly can't tell if it's any better. It looks a lot the same. All right, I don't really see much. Let's try the blue here, the blue from my jeans. Taking the blue off, definitely, that was immediate. I could see immediately the blue from my jeans that is rubbed off on the white leather. This baby water wipe took it off. Not a lot of force needed, not a lot of elbow grease needed. It came off almost immediately. But the brown tan staining from back here, the water wipes couldn't do it. But this, I'm impressed with how quickly it's taking off the blue jean hue. I am putting a fair amount of elbow grease into this, trying to make sure that it really gets it all. But I'm impressed. That did a really good job at getting off the blue jean stuff. I mean, I can still see there's some there, so it definitely didn't get it perfect, but it is doing some of the work. I don't know if we can see here, looking at the wipe. Might be hard to see, but there's definitely some blue on this wipe here. Let's try one more wipe. Let's get a fresh one to do the bottom. You can actually see my handprint in there. But these are blue water wipes for babies that we bought in the baby aisle at Target. Nothing fancy, nothing special. And like I said, they're non-chemical. They're just water wipes. So as far as potential damage to the seat goes, it's nothing. But also with its potential cleaning power, it's not as much as something that's chemical. So let's see here. That was pretty funny seeing my handprint immediately. It's kind of all dirty now, but I would say from the blue standpoint, for a perfectionist, it's still not good enough. For me, it's good enough for the blue. The blue jean water wipe, success. This yellow-brown stain from my leather belt or my body sweat, not enough. So now we have to go on to stage number 2. Deep cleaning, hydro selects, interior cleaning, plastics and leathers. Because it's perforated seats, you do not spray it directly on. So spray it into our cloth. And I think this thing broke right away. Well, we got some on here. So I'm going to rub this on there right away using elbow grease. If you're foreign and not used to the American expression of elbow grease, it means to push really hard. Still using a microfiber cloth. And I'm still not seeing the discoloration going away. I'm not sure if there's special tools for this or what, but this is not getting off the cleaner. This is not getting the stain off the seat. Not now, honey. Whew. All right, not off. I'm gonna see if I can get one more spray out of this. And if I can, nope, I can't. This thing, there we go. Do I have to shake it to get it to work? Let's try just the bottom to see if we get any more of the blue out. It's turning blue on the rag. So the rag is turning blue, which means I'm getting more out than just the water wipes of the jeans. But whatever is going on with the bottom of the seat here, yeah, it's not denting it. Oh, well, wipe this down a little bit. This is our aftermarket accessory armrest. But I would say the water wipes weren't enough, and this Hydro Silex was not enough. Here we have the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. This is our third test here. Water wipes first, then that Hydro Silex. And here we go with that. And wow, that's like immediate. I can immediately, we put a little water on this, and let's get this. Ooh, I'm ripping this thing. I ripped this thing in half. Well, I got real excited because I started seeing parts of it come off right away. But no, I'm not sure. It looks better. Definitely looks better. Let's wonder what happens here if I just recline this back to get some more easy access to this. Hey, sweetie. Are ya? Don't do that. It's definitely getting all kinds of stuff off here. Woo! Okay. This thing's disintegrating in my hand. I'm probably pushing too hard, but I can't completely get it off. It's definitely better, which I feel like the other two products didn't do anything, but this product still trying to do some different directions here. Let's go up, sideways. You know, you stare at this perforation too long and it starts looking like a 90s I Spy game where you blur your eyes to see the 3D object pop out. Jesus Christ. This thing.
Daddy.
So it's crumbling. It's falling apart in my hands. It's still not gone. It's better, but it's not gone. I can't even dent whatever is right here. That I can't get to go away. But what was down on the lower back, that is much better. It's taken more of the blue off the bottom of the seat here. I'm wondering if there's like a dye that's in my leather belt, and that's what's been rubbing on here and changed colors, because it's kind of reminds me of my belt color. All right, I'm gonna come back through one last time here, just with a water wipe, just to kind of clean things up. And I'm gonna say none of them are a sterling success, but they do help. One last touch here, water wipe, and then we'll call it a day. All right. Like I said, in summary, none of them are perfect. The Magic Eraser was the best. It helped a lot on the lower back, but not really on the side. And it definitely helped with the blue jeans. All right. I'm gonna use a towel just to dry off any residual chemical. And all I want to say is, if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. If you have your thoughts on your own cleaning product, please leave comments down below, and let's find out what cleans these white seats the best.